Hello, Bill Molyneux for Bill's History World with none other than Goober the Traveling Bear, who is with me. And we are in Yorktown, Virginia. And yes, we've made many videos here. But one of the cool things on this Sunday, March, I forgot what it is, March 9th, 10th, is there's very little foot traffic out here. And during the summer, this street is really popular. So we have York Hall. And this is the building that I did a previous video on. We have a monument dedication to, I believe it would be the veterans that have passed in conflicts. World War I, World War II, Civil War continued, and Bacon's Rebellion, Revolutionary War, War of 1812, and the Civil War. Alright, well, we have to head back home, but it's a beautiful, bright, sunny day. It's Sunday, and so the Swan Tavern, (1736). We're gonna walk down the street, and the Grace Episcopal Church is down there, and we had made a video of that during Christmas time. Church service is in, so we will not bother them, of course. Winter hours open Saturday and Sundays 11 to 5. The Little York Confectionery. I presume it's a donut store. Let's take a walk over here. Now, Yorktown saw military action during both our Revolutionary War and the American Civil War. East along Main Street. On the Hill Gallery. Okay, we're going off the beaten trail. And let's see what's out here. Nice gardens, follow me. The Colonial Herb Garden. Well, it looks closed, private gardens, but we can look at a distance. Okay. Well, this is the Cole Diggs house. All right. Very cool. Of course, it's a small restaurant and table seating out here. The cemetery has an enormous amount of American flags for the veterans. That is wonderful. Alright, and because of my time, I have done a video on the cemetery in the past. I think it was Christmas week. We're going to go over and check on the one mansion. Follow me, everyone. Well, the Customs House, 1720. It's very cool. So there's the gardens down below and the courtyard. They have a nice plaque up here for Admiral de Gasse. He was the French admiral that defeated the British fleet, the Battle of Yorktown out in the Chesapeake. Built in 1706. Old custom house. Alright, we're gonna pause the camera here. Alright, everyone. This is I think this is the Nelson House or Moore House. And it's on Main Street here in Yorktown. The gardens are coming to life, daffodils and a lawnmower. Okay. Very cool. So for my friends like Jack, who could never get here due to mobility issues, living thousands of miles away, I hope he's enjoying this video. The Great Valley. Before the American Revolution, this narrow footpath cutting through the Great Valley was a major thoroughfare that linked Yorktown's busy waterfront district with the businesses and government offices on Main Street. Okay. And okay. Alright, we're at the Yorktown Victory Monument. Goober loves it here. So this monument's huge. And I've done a couple videos on it already. But it is on Main Street, and this video is walking Main Street in Yorktown. So there's the Chesapeake Bay. Heading out. And since there's absolutely no one here, which is incredibly unusual, we will just walk up to it a little closer. I did a cute video where Josh does the narration and Goober and I are sitting on this monument. So at Yorktown, October 19th, should be 81. Yeah. The siege lasted 19 days. 5,500 American and 7,000 French troops. 3,500 Virginia militia defeated Cornwallis's army of around 7,000 men. Okay. So, in my videos, please subscribe and like. Please help me grow the History Channel. And don't forget Bill's War Game World, which is monetized, and I donate the money to historic sites each month. You're looking out across the water, and Gloucester is on the other side. And I'm going to say, stay safe, be kind, be courteous, and when you're visiting the Yorktown, Williamsburg area, please check out Yorktown's Main Street walking tour. Thank you, everyone.